Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you a unboxing of a very useful product. What is this product? This is a egg boiler or egg poacher. This is from the brand Glen and this can boil up to 8 eggs. First, let us look at for whom this product is very much useful. This is very much useful for all those busy individuals who do not want to monitor boiling eggs to see if how much water is left in the vessel, how much time has lapsed after the eggs have come to a boil, whether we want soft, hard or semi-soft boiled eggs. So all this hassle of monitoring of eggs will be taken care by this egg boiler. This is also useful for people who are staying in hostels who do not have easy access to boiled eggs or poached eggs. And this is also useful for those households which usually do not cook non-vegetarian or eggs and they do not want eggs to enter their kitchen. Also useful for people who are into bodybuilding who want to take care of their protein requirement by including a lot of eggs in their diet. So with having seen the usefulness of this, now let us go do the unboxing and see what is inside this. This is the egg boiler, model number SA3036EB. I think EB means egg boiler. So you can see the picture here. It can do hard to soft boiling, 8 eggs at one time, 4 poaching cups, egg ready indicator. And this comes with a 2-year warranty and this is of 500 watts. Same thing here. So now let's open this up. This is the warranty card. We'll come to this later. So these are all the things which were inside. Before you use, be sure to completely go through the user guide so that you are well versed about how to use this egg boiler. You have all the details given here of how to use, special safety measures, cleaning and maintenance. All the details which is required is provided here. You have some recipes also. This is masala egg chaat, deviled eggs. So you have 2 recipes also given here. And this is the warranty card. Please note that this is not a sponsored video. I have purchased this product for my personal use. If you like this, you can also purchase this at your own will and risk. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.